Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a G-Shock here. This is my first G-Shock and I'm really excited to unbox this and to use this. So the usual G-Shock packaging, let me show you around the box, then we'll do the actual unboxing. So G-Shock branding on top, 20 bar G-Shock since 1989, alright, shock resist. And this is imported, country of origin is of course China. MRP of this is 8,495, but I got this for around 5,000. I'll put the link of that below, you can go check that out. And okay, nothing much here. Let's get this out. Okay, first out of the box, Casio international warranty card, and that is inside a plastic wrapper, I think. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's bring this out. Oh, this is a card, nice. And this is a small booklet. All right, let's keep this aside for now. And oh my god, such a thick book. User guide. So this is a user manual. My god. So in different languages, I guess, but yeah, that's nice and thick. All right. And there is a tag here, the model number, another card here, exclusive membership pack, 3 years warranty, free pickup and drop. Okay, that's nice. Free pickup and drop is good. 30% off on product upgrade. Okay, so various offers listed here. Okay, and now let's take out the actual, yeah, steel box as usual, steel aluminum, I think. So we get this for all G-Shock watches. So let's bring this out. Foam covering, another foam shock absorber bit, and we have our actual watch itself. Okay, wrapped in plastic, really old school. Now let's bring this out. Okay, nice and beautiful. So resin resin strap, I think this is around 22 mm or 24 mm. Okay, G-Shock branding here in the clasp. So the clasp has double parts, double holders, so that it gives you a good fit on your wrist, and really nice for good fit here. These flaps, that's also nice. So let's see, Casio 20 bar, serial number, shock absorbing structure. Of course, G-Shock is really famous for heavy duty exercises or heavy duty activities, and made in China. All right, so really nice, well built screws, buttons, really nice. Okay, some things written here, not sure what that is. I'll have to read the manual to see what are the actual functions. So 20 bar. Okay, what I like about this is a black on white background, so this actually feels a lot tactical, so that's nice. So G-Shock written here, reset button, start button, mode, adjust, and the G button here, which starts the backlit. So nice. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.